Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, and our today topic of video presentation is what is partition of property in India. So basically, the partition is the division of property held by joint co-owners into different shares, so that they can enjoy exclusive right like over the property. And there are like two kinds of property that can be like partition according to the partition law in India. There are two kind of properties जो कि जिनका हम पार्टीशन कर सकते हैं. The first is joint family property and the second one is self acquired property. And the joint family or property is like कॉम्प्रिहेंसरी प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो कि इंक्लूड्स करती है डेट प्रॉपर्टी in which the property and possession is shared by all the comprehensors to the property, and any such property can be of different kind and may consist of ancestor property and आपकी jointly acquired property and the separate property of a member thrown into the common stock or given in the joint fund. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज़ जो एक्विजिशन है प्रॉपर्टी का विद द हेल्प ऑफ जॉइंट लाइक आपने एक्वायर करी है प्रॉपर्टी विद द हेल्प ऑफ जॉइंट फैमिली फंड. तो दीज आर द जॉइंट फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी काइंड्स. तो इसमें द फर्स्ट वन इज़ जो जॉइंट फैमिली joint family property includes that property in which the interest and possession is shared by all the comprehensors to the property. Like any such property can be of different kind and may consist करेगी ancestor property को. Ancestor property like any property which is acquired in succession by a Hindu from his father's father or a grandfather's father is an ancestor property होती है. जैसे एज इन हम लोग जो हमको अपने पैतृक संपत्ति भी जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि वो हमारे फादर के फादर से एंड ग्रैंडफादर से हमको मिलती है, ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर से हमको मिलती है. So it is a property that was acquired by the Hindu great grandfather and then inherited undivided down to the 3 generation of grandchildren of the family. And any property should necessarily be 4 generation old in order to be ancestor property. And in the eye of law कि आपके वो 4 generation old होनी चाहिए. And any such property should not have been divided by the members of the joint Hindu family among the members of the family during the lifetime of the person who has acquired it. And like properties inherited from a mother and grandmother or uncle are not ancestor properties. And properties that are inherited by gift or by way of will are also not ancestor properties. The right is an ancestor property accrues by like जो ancestor property का right होता है is हम acquire करते हैं by birth. And the